Helmsley is the epitome of a luxury kitchen. It's a 20mm thick in-frame timber shaker with flush joints and a subtle cock beading around the frame. So on this display we've put together a very popular colour combination. We've got dove grey here on the walls with a huge carbon island. So what can be made to look like a traditional kitchen has been kept very contemporary on this display. We've done this by using sleek black handles set against a light door in contrast to the island where we've used a lighter handle against a dark door. We've also opted instead to use pelmet as cornice to keep that contemporary look. Undoubtedly the statement piece of this kitchen is the island. The sheer size of it, whilst it's unusual, this would look great in a huge open plan living area. One of the standout features of this island is a 70cm sink. It's an axic sink, which means that it's cladded with worktop material for a seamless look. Another feature of this island is the solid oak breakfast bar. That brings a little bit of warmth back into this contemporary kitchen.